Hey y'all, I'm Craig with the Bickums and Small Town Reshop. Leftover crawfish etouffee, no problem. We're gonna be freezing some of it. Get you some community coffee, y'all. It's really, really good. And Evie Kate's not happy. Leftover etouffee. We're fixing to do something really creative with it. Something I saw this. I don't remember if her name was. It was Cajun Lady Kitchen on YouTube. Maybe I can't remember what it was. And I don't have the pie crust that are already made. So we got a pie pan. So we're gonna take a little bit of spray, a little bit of light spray, y'all. Just kind of. My wife said to spray it lightly. Guess I gotta wipe my mess. Oh, and the oven is preheating to 400 degrees. Preheated oven, 400 degrees, y'all. And we're gonna take just some Pillsbury pie crust. Cause y'all, we're gonna make some crawfish pie out of our etouffee. That's what we're doing. So a little pie shape to it anyway. It doesn't have to be like perfectly all pretty like a normal pie crust would be. We'll kind of use a fork at the end. Now, we've got our leftover, we had some leftover rice, and we've got our leftover crawfish etouffee. It's been refrigerated. I'm gonna be freezing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, for this one's probably gonna take close to 2 cups. So we're gonna kind of just give it a little quick stir. Leftovers, and we're gonna measure. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. All right, so we're gonna put, I think it's gonna take about 2.5 cups. About 2.5 cups. Oops. Of etouffee. That's actually more close to 3. So somewhere between 2.5 and 3 cups. With a cup of rice. So we're gonna bring it up to about 3 3/4 or close to that 4 cups. Like so. Is all I'm trying to do. So that's close to the 4 cups. So this is a 4-cup measuring cup. And now we're just gonna mix it together. But we are gonna you can skip this step if you want to. You can skip it. I want it to set real good, so we're gonna stick 1 egg and we're gonna mix it up. So just put you 1 egg in there. We're gonna put 2 eggs. So put your 2 eggs in there, y'all. 2 eggs in there. Get that stirred up good. I want this to really set up like a pie, y'all. And into the pie crust we go. And this is a good way to put a different twist on some of the same leftovers that you just had night before last. And then we're gonna freeze the rest for a later date. And we're gonna lay it on top. I'm just gonna kind of wrinkle up. And then we're gonna come back with our fork and we're just gonna mash just like so. And just give it that little fork, the little fork look. Now if you wanna take and put you a few little, cross holes, so it'll look kind of like a pie, So that's what it looks like. Going in the 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. And we'll check it. Now we are going to cover it with some aluminum foil though. If you have a metal pie pan, you can put that on top of it. But we want to cover it. You can just cover it lightly. So just kind of loosely, like a loose little tent. 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. All right, y'all. So we got it out. Still a little hot. Time to cut it. So we're gonna cut us we're just gonna cut a pie-shaped piece. I'm gonna give me some that's this is a little more brown on this side for some reason. So we're just gonna start at the middle. And we're just gonna cut us out a triangle piece. We probably dropped something. Oh, I didn't get the bottom, y'all. I didn't get the bottom out. Ugh. So let's just go ahead and let's get the bottom. I didn't have it cut good. Ugh. Because I like that bottom crust. All right, y'all, so let's go in for a little bite. Let's see how it tastes. So we're gonna get some of that crust, some of that harder crust, so we can get a crawfish. Bon appetit. This might be better than the etouffee, y'all. Y'all need to give that one a try. Don't waste them leftovers, y'all. They're still good. Can y'all smell it? Get you a bite of that. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all on the next recipe.